guys how to install your thread into a blackhead sewing machine. So a blackhead sewing machine has two places we put thread. One is under here and another is up here. So I'll be showing you guys how to run this thread through, and the one down, how to roll it in your bobbin, how to roll the thread on your bobbin, and how to insert the thread. Please watch out for this video, and please like and subscribe to my channel. After this video I'll be showing you a lot of other videos concerning sewing, and I would like you guys to watch and be the first to get notified each time I post a video. So please stay tuned and subscribe right now. So there are two places we insert our thread, down and up. So we're going to first of all insert the thread. First we remove the bobbin case from underneath. You can see the bobbin is inside. The bobbin is not threaded now, so I'm going to roll this thread on the bobbin. So first of all, I'm just going to use my hand to roll a little bit of it before inserting it into the bobbin winder. There we have two spools on the sewing machine, one up and the other one stays in the hole down. So when you want to roll the thread on the bottom, you use the spool pin down there. There's a hole there, so I'm just going to put the thread there and insert my bobbin into my bobbin winder. There's a little round wheel down there. You pass it through there and then slowly you start pushing it. So you can see I'm already rolling the thread, so you can fill up the bobbin as much as you want with thread. Now that we're done, I've released it. Now I'm taking my bobbin case and fixing my bobbin back into it. Then there's a passage where you roll the thread through to bring it out from that hole right on top there. Yes, so now I've brought it out of the hole and I'm going to check my tension. If it's fine, it doesn't move too freely, and make sure it doesn't move too slowly. So if it's stiff, your thread might be cutting, and if it's too free, you might have very loose stitches. So I'm going to fix it back into the bobbin compartment. So now we are done inserting the thread down. Now it's time to put the thread up. We're going to use the spool pin on the top for this one. So I'm going to pass my thread on the thread guide. You You can see it right there. It's just the space there. You place it on the thread guide and then pass it through the regulator. I'm inserting my thread into the take-up lever, the thread take-up lever. And now I'm going to put it into the eye of the needle before putting it into those hooks by the side. So I don't want to have any split ends. If you want, you can cut off the tip of the thread. So basically what we've done here is put the thread on the top post pin and pass it onto the thread guide, then through the tension regulator up into the take-up lever. And then down to the eye of the needle. Yeah. So there's one thread guide. The thread guide down, and we'll just put the thread into the thread guide and then up there. Just to make sure your thread is as secure as possible. And that's how you thread a blackhead sewing machine. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video with your friends and on your social media pages. Thank you for watching, guys.